Hello and welcome to DadGotParks. Today we are at the Epcot International Festival of the Arts. We're going to look at merch, we're going to look at stuff, we're going to look at art, we're going to have some fun. $29.99. Pretty nice hat. Little figgy on the back. Little ornament. $19.99. $34.99 for the shirt. $79.99. For the Spirit jersey. Then you got a Tervis for $34.99. Nice. I like it. We have too many Tervis. And then a little figgy mug. He is super cute for $24.99. Ooh, 4-finger. That's good. And one of these little sippers. Also $24.99. Not much Festival of the Arts merchandise this year. Little disappointing. Now, if you guys want to see food stuff, we're going to throw that over on the Dad Got This channel. I'll throw a link in the description. And then we got the lounge fly. You always can't forget the lounge flies. Pretty nice. $89.99 on the lounge flies. They've gone up. They also have a lug bag.
I'm here too.
And then there's also this lug bag, like a little side lug bag for $90. And then we got 3 different pins here. $19, $22, and $30. And these are $19 and $22 also.
You enjoying this video? Well, there's a few simple things you can do to help me out. 1, you could subscribe if you're not already. 2, you could give the video a like and hit that bell. All right?
The family has gone off to go watch a Broadway show. It's not my bag, baby. Let's go look at some art. so much great art here, and you can actually meet the artists. Some of them are sitting there signing their art. Just an awesome experience if you are into art. If you happen to have a favorite thing like me, Star Wars, there's a bunch of that here. Please do the likey, subscribe stuff. YouTube loves it when you leave a like. I love it when you leave a comment. I answer just about every comment in my comment section. If you really want to support the channel, become a member. Members get early access, all kinds of fun stuff. But if you can't, just subscribe.
Subscribe.
I guess that only leaves one question to answer for today.
What?
Why isn't it fun to be one of Snow White's dwarves?
Why?
Because 6 out of the 7 of them aren't happy. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes.
Again.
Go to Disney to try awesome foods. But one thing Dad will never do?
Dad on the outro, so that's it. Bye!
And now it's time to thank all of my members. You guys are the best. I just can't say enough about how much you guys mean to me.